So once you are here, there is no way to go back. But one thing we can do, we can just come here. We can come here and follow this link to start again. And let me close this. Let me reload. I think there is something bad somewhere. Okay, I knew this is not working. Actually, I close these things. Okay, let's give it some few seconds that it can start. And here we are going to check whether the responsiveness is working, because last time it was not responsive to the website. So it has come. Let's now follow this link here. And yes, now let me inspect and go to this one. First of all, this is our WEMP. This is our WEMP. Let me check for the phone how it look like. Just let me say iPhone SE. You can see for the phone it is like that. Let me see for the another phone like Samsung Galaxy S8. Is it? Is it like that? And it is in Galaxy. Let me see for the Galaxy Z Fold, like that. Yeah, let's now look at it in the responsive and see what will happen when we are in WEMP. I'm not gonna say it is very well. It is responsive, okay? Not like the other time, right? That's very good. So this is a very good way of doing it. So only thing that is remaining is styling here and there and making this thing appear beautiful. This one is not good. So let's meet next time and perfect everything.